Hello, it's January 12th, 2026, and my name is Derek Tebow with Tebow Option Trades. And in this video, I'll be rolling my covered calls for NVIDIA and SoFi. As you can see there, I have 86% of the premium collected on NVIDIA 192 call. I'm going to be rolling to the 190 call because NVIDIA is at like 183 right now. But I'm going to be rolling it all the way out to February 20th as the market opens here. And I'll lock in that profit and then collect more premium when I roll it. The 190, February 20th. Take a few seconds here to get filled. Now I just collected $1,175. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with SoFi, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. About 71% premium right there for SoFi. That's what the NVIDIA new one looks like. I'm waiting a little bit because SoFi is acting weird this morning. It's just going to take me a little while to fill it. It's 1,500 right now. 74% of the premium. SoFi is down 2% today. I was deciding if I wanted to wait longer or not, but I decided to go for it. February 20th, rolling the 17 contracts for $2,548 I just collected. Now, right now I'll show you the realized gains for, here we go.